Hi, my name's Hayley Jules-Davie and I'm the course leader for teacher training for East Sussex College Group at Hastings. I love my job. I've taught so many people here over the years and I get to meet very interesting people from all walks of life from all over the world. We run many courses on teacher training, and more now than ever there is a need for people that may be looking for a change in career due to the recent pandemic. It doesn't matter if you don't have a degree. If you are qualified in your area and a subject specialist, whether it be motor vehicle, carpentry, hair, beauty, catering, you can come along to our college and study the certificate in education. We offer this course part-time at both our campuses, whether it be in the evening at Hastings or during the day at Eastbourne. One of my recent graduates, she's actually moved on to get her QTLS and she actually teaches hostage negotiation around the world.
So my name's Lynette PEARCE. I'm an inspector in the Metropolitan Police Service on the Hostage Crisis and Negotiation Unit, and I've been a police officer now for 29 years. I am the Director of Training for Hostage and Crisis Negotiation, and that's national and international deployments. We teach over 200 students a year within the UK and several others around the world. I chose to go to East Sussex College Group initially because it was my local college and I wanted to support the local college and didn't really want the travelling, to be honest with you. I went to do my level 3 AET and thoroughly enjoyed the experience of being back at college in a small group, a small environment, and with tutors who really knew their business, knew their job. At the conclusion of that course, we were assigned pathways to where you could continue your education. And having had a one-to-one with my tutor, the certificate of education was signposted to me. Something I'd never really considered before, although very valuable and pertinent to my role of Director of Training. So I took up the certificate of education again at the same venue, and I did look into alternatives, but I found that the teaching style and the inclusivity was far ahead of any other college that I looked into. So I did the 2-year certificate of education, which really took me on a journey from a presenter to a teacher, essentially. I've been fortunate enough to teach around the world. I've taught in Japan, Philippines, the Cayman Islands. I've lectured in Canada. And undoubtedly, the skills that I took from this course have improved my performance. And that comes back to me in the feedback from the students, from my peers, and from my organisation.
So our course runs over 2 years for the part-time course and 1 year across the full-time course. And you really get a chance to learn new techniques and ideas so that you're provided with a toolkit for teaching, learning and assessing. I particularly enjoy the action research, the practitioner inquiry that we do in the second year, and supporting trainees through that process of really trying something out in their own classroom and reflecting on the process. And many of our students think about doing their masters later down the line if they've come to us with a degree on entry. And our second year, you can have some units that are taught at master's level, so you can prove that you have those skills to take your career to the next level.
Why should you choose Hastings? It's not just because of our lovely premises and our extensive knowledge the staff have, but we offer you one-to-one support. We have mentors that will mentor you through your course from your subject area. We have higher educational mentors, and we have the support from our Learning Resource Centre that will also support you through your studies. We are also very lucky that our class sizes are generally smaller than other places of study, and it's just a happy place. We love our jobs.